Hi, and welcome to a new video. Today, let's do a tutorial on batteries for off-grid solar systems. If you're just about to set up your off-grid home solar system and are wondering what battery you should buy, how to size a solar battery, then stay on and let me help you decide on your ideal battery type for your off-grid solar system. So let's start by calculating your desired power consumption. I will go ahead with my previous group of appliances where I was considering 5 20 watt bulbs, 2 80 watt fans, Wi-Fi plus some other appliances which comes to around 100 watts. So if we consider all of this together, our total power needed is 360 watts. Watts equals power. Power equals voltage into current. So if we need to power 360 watts from a 12 volt battery, it should give a current of 30 amps. Simple enough, right? So let's say that this setup was to work for 3 hours. Then 30 amps into 3 hours, our battery should have a 90 amp hour rating. So does that mean that a 100 amp hour battery will be enough for this project? The answer is no. Because each battery has a safe depth of discharge. Depth of discharge rating is unique for each type of battery, whether it be a lead acid battery, NiMH battery, lithium ion phosphate, AGM or gel batteries, all has its separate safe depth of discharge. So what is meant by depth of discharge? It is the safe limit of which the battery can be drained without compromising the lifespan of the battery. Because if we overuse a certain battery for more than its specified depth of discharge, we won't get the maximum usage from that battery. Basically, we are reducing its life. Look at this graph for an example. What this shows is that at a given temperature, this battery can be used for 200 cycles of charge and discharge if we drain it each time to 100%. If we only drain the battery, let's say by 50%, then it can go up to 500 charge discharge cycles. If it is only discharging to 30%, then we can go up to 1000 to 1200 cycles, which is like 6 to 7 times more battery life. So this here is a diagram describing the depth of discharge in a lead acid battery. So based on the type of battery, the depth of discharge will vary. The commonest batteries that we know, the usual car batteries, which are the lead acid ones, has a depth of discharge of 30%. Deep cycle AGM or gel batteries, also popularly known as solar batteries, has a depth of discharge of 50%. NiMH or nickel metal hydride batteries has 80%. Lithium phosphate, lithium ion, they go up to 80% safe depth of discharge. So let's get back to our example of 360 watts working for 3 hours. Our desired power output was 100 amp hours. So if we used a lead acid battery at 30% depth of discharge, we will need 330 amp hours. Whereas if we are using a AGM or gel batteries with a 50% depth of discharge, then we need to 100 amp hours. If we are using NIMH or lithium ion batteries with a depth of discharge of 80%, then having a battery of 125 amp hours is enough to give our desired 100 amp hour output. I hope this video helped you to understand how to calculate the battery capacity needed, how to choose the right battery, and what you must consider when buying batteries to prolong the life of those batteries and save loads of money over time. If you liked that video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.